Hello friends, welcome back to Learn Python on Mobile Phone Programming series. In the previous video, we have discussed about operators in Python and even we have discussed about arithmetic operators. So in this class, we will discuss about comparison operators. So what are comparison operators and why do we use them? See, basically in Python programming or any programming languages, we use comparison operators to compare two values in mathematical terms. So let's take let's look at these operators here. Less than, greater than, okay, less than or equal to, okay, greater than or equal to, and equal to or not equal to, which means you have two numbers and you want to compare them, whether they are equal to each other or number one is greater than number two or something like this. Okay, the output of these operations will be in the form of true and false, which is a boolean data type in Python. Okay, so once again guys, so why do we use comparison operators? To compare two values. Okay, two values in the terms of mathematical terms, in mathematical terms. Okay, it's not like only plain values here, even you can compare two mathematical statements or equations as well. Okay, so we will see them in a couple of minutes. Okay, so what will be the output of these operations? It will be a boolean data type, which is like true or false. Let's try with some examples here. Okay, so I have a new file. So let's take something like you have a variable a, and in variable a you have 100 and in variable b you have 300. Okay, so first let's check if a is, you want to check if a is greater than b. Okay, so you can tell actually by looking at this example, a is greater than b here. No, right? So this is a false statement, so you will get the output as false here. Okay, so the output of this comparison operators operation will be a boolean data type. Okay, and let's say if you say a is less than b, so this is a true statement, so the output will be true here. Okay, so that's how you can check whether the number one is greater than number two or less than, or vice versa. Okay, so similarly if you want to check if one value is greater than or equal to, okay, for greater than or equal to we use this operator greater than or equal to. Okay, so similarly for less than or equal to we use this operator. And if you want to check the equality, if both the numbers are same, then we have to use double equal. Okay, if you want to check if the numbers are not equal, then we use a, the not symbol here, the exclamation mark, and then the b. Okay, so please remember guys, so this is a comparison operator, I mean the double equal, and single equal is called assignment operator. Assignment operator means the whatever the value that you have at the right side will be assigned to the variable on the left side. Okay, so this is assignment operator, single equal, and if you have double equal, that will be comparison operator to check the equality between two data points, you can say. Okay, so let's run this program and see the output. See here, so that's about these comparison operators. So you can also try some, I mean a couple of examples here, and if you have any doubts or if you get any error, please ask me in the comment section below and I will definitely try to answer you guys. Okay guys, that's all about this video, and in the next video we will discuss about another type of operators in Python. Till then, take care.